Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Austin, Texas, where we are working on our condo project. It is a bunker, multi-story home, and water has been leaking inside the bunker, and we've worked on it for a while now. And we've solved problem after problem, and the main issues now is, for the first time, water is seeping through the stucco. Since this home has been built many years ago, this home has historical stucco, and the stucco is leaking. We pulled out the foam and it was full of water. So it is saturating the block, and when it saturates the block, works its way down into our bunker and come in through our ceiling. Our ceiling is built like a Oreo cookie, where there's concrete at the bottom, concrete at the top, and in the middle is a hollow spot. That hollow spot is carrying water throughout, and we are having to solve the problem by sealing the stucco. Now, this method has not been seen before, not in Texas, and we are excited to be able to show it to you. So the first thing we do is we demo the stucco, as you can see. Take the stucco off, clean it off, clean the walls on both sides, and then get ready for the process. And here, let's walk over and take a look so you can see what the courtyard area looks like. Okay, we finished the demo and brought in a cleaning crew and made sure that it looks acceptable. We removed here this area. We took off the stucco and the frame at the top all the way around and cleaned up the interior. This is the doorway that will most likely need to be raised. Here we cut the stucco and took off the trim. Here we grinded it down and cut it. All that is solid. Cut that area as well. That area is hard at the very bottom. Area that still had tile. Every area that had foam as the backing area we removed. Either it be board, tar paper, or nothing at all, or cinder block. Okay, let's get busy. If you like our videos, click the like and the subscribe button and we can show you more.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.